What is Gay-Lussac's law? Can you tell me the formula of converting degree centigrade into degree Fahrenheit? What is this ozone layer depletion? Hi everyone, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai Mata Di. This is Chief Engineer Praneeth Mehta, Director JMD Academy, also running a website called Merchant Navy Decoded. Today I have got Om Sharma with me. He has already given a non-technical mock interview which has been uploaded on the YouTube channel JMD Academy. Well, for those people who do not know Om Sharma, he is a DNS aspirant who has recently been selected in company. And his non-technical mock interview has been uploaded on JMD Academy channel, and this interview is going to be all on technical knowledge, technical questions, on physics, chemistry, maths. Let's see how good Om Sharma is. And the best point about Om Sharma throughout the time he was studying at JMD Academy was that he could give those cross question answers very well. So this insight is going to prove well because I am going to grill him really hard. Let's see. So without wasting any time, guys, we'll start with this technical mock interview. First we'll start with chemistry, then physics, maybe GK, geography, or a little bit of maths as well. So let's start. So bhai, tell me, what is this ozone layer depletion?
So ozone layer depletion is going to be very rough that time because of the different gases, greenhouse gases, due to which it is getting depleted. As we know that O3 is a formula of ozone layer. So due to which the chlorofluorocarbon reacts with it and split it into O means carbon monoxide and oxygen and
nascent oxygen,
yes,
and
and oxygen gas, due to which it is getting depleted, and due to which the UV rays are allowed to enter in the earth, and these UV rays are very harmful and cause skin cancer to a person or a human being.
Okay, can you name a few CFCs?
फ्लोरोकार्बन.
अच्छा, ओके, चलो ठीक है. इसमें और भी गैसेस का नाम आ सकता है, बट एनीवेज नॉट. वेयर डू यू फाइंड दीज CFCs ऑन अर्थ?
Sir, by the refrigerants we use in the refrigerators and the air conditioners.
Okay, great. Is shipping industry doing anything about this thing?
Yes, sir. Actually, they are doing a very great job. They are using a HFC, and due to which there is going to be no greenhouse gases, and they are saving the environment by doing that.
Okay, great. So see, just knowing CFC can work well, but if you know a little bit about shipping industry, what shipping, that can do wonders in your answer as well. Moving ahead, chalo, tell me, what is Gay-Lussac's law?
Sir, Gay-Lussac's law states that if the volume is constant, then the temperature is directly proportional to the pressure, and sir, it is used in the pressure cooker.
Okay, example is pressure cooker. Yes. What is that temperature? Degree centigrade, Fahrenheit?
Sir, it is Kelvin.
Kelvin, okay, fine. Okay, what is the value of 5 degree centigrade in Kelvin?
5 degree centigrade in Kelvin is 278.
270 degrees. Yes. Kelvin, ठीक है. Can you tell me the formula of converting degree centigrade into degree Fahrenheit?
Yes, sir. Sir, C equals to K plus 273.
No, that is for Kelvin.
Yes, sir.
I am saying degree centigrade in Fahrenheit.
Degree centigrade in Fahrenheit, that will be F equals to 9 by 5C plus 32.
Okay, great. चलो ठीक है, fine. Tell me, what is the difference between evaporation and boiling?
Sir, evaporation is a surface phenomena where the surface molecules get the energy or take the energy from the surrounding molecules and get converted into the vapor, and it is a slow process, while the boiling is a bulk phenomena where the whole bulk or the whole water or the liquid, whatever it is in a container, get heated up and get converted into the vapor.
Like you told that evaporation happens at all the temperatures.
Yes,
what about boiling?
So boiling needs a certain temperature, like water. For water, we need a 70 degrees Celsius to convert it into vapor. So that's the boiling point.
अच्छा, water gets water का boiling point is 70 degree centigrade.
So it is 100 degrees centigrade.
100 degree centigrade at.
So at 1 atmospheric pressure.
See guys, understand one thing. थोड़ा सा confused हुआ, but when you say boiling point of water is 100 degree centigrade, you have to say at 1 atmospheric pressure, because when your atmospheric pressure changes, increases or decreases, along with that the boiling point of water or any liquid decreases or increases. Copy. चलो आगे बढ़ते हैं. Think and find it. अच्छा, what is, name an alkane?
Alkane is CH4.
Okay, alkene.
So alkene is C2H2.
Okay, and C2H2, alkene.
C2.
Guys, C2H4.
Yes.
And what is alkyne?
So alkyne will be.
C2H2 is alkyne. Guys, again ये random question पूछा and I would have expected a better answer from home. No worries. तो alkane, alkene, alkyne के अंदर I could have easily asked him कि single bond किस में है, double bond किस में है, triple bond किस में है, right? I could have also asked about benzene. चलो आगे बढ़ते हैं. What would you prefer, pouring acid on water or water on acid, and why?
Sir, I will prefer to pour the acid into water, because sir, if we put water into acid, then there will be a very much massive explosion because it takes an exothermic reaction there, and it happens because the cations get excited in it very much. Cations form in that at very radially when we put the water into the acid, and that's why sir, so we will prefer to pour the acid into water while with proper stirring. So that's why I prefer that way.
Okay. ये चीज़ सी it is very important on ship as well. We are taught, anyways, I'm not going to get into that. Again, coming to the most important thing, you talked about exothermic reaction. Can you tell me 2 lines about exothermic reaction? What is exothermic
So
reaction?
exothermic reaction is a reaction in which the energy get released by it, by the reaction,
By
in
the
the
reaction.
form of heat or a light.
Example, one more example.
So one more example, we can take a lime when we put the water into it. As we know, then daily uses, we use the like tuna, we say. We put the water in it, and as we can see radially, there is a very much heat released by it.
Okay. How would you recognize a H2S gas?
So we can smell, it's a rotten egg smell, and it's interesting about that is it is very harmful, and we have to face it on the ship also. As we know sir, if the H2S gas is at the 100 ppm, then it is going to be very harmful. The people can die in few minutes, and if it's 1000 second, 1000 ppm, then the person can be die in a few seconds. Even this is smelling right now, and he can die, and we will not know what happens right now. And it is found on the enclosed spaces on the ship.
Great. Now guys, this is where he will earn a brownie point. This is where JMD Academy brings a slight twist in your answers. We just do not share those answers, but we also share an insight on the shipping industry, what is happening, what is H2S gas, and these are some few answers which are unexpected or does the interview does not expect, and that is where you earn brownie points as well. आगे बढ़ते हैं. Which is the most malleable metal?
So most malleable metal is gold.
And what is malleability?
So malleability is converting into a thin sheets.
Thin sheets.
Yes sir.
And what is ductility?
So ductility is converting the any element into the thin wires.
Wires. Okay, chalo. Guys, chemistry khatam hai. Let's come to the aptitude part. Let me ask him, what is the formula for volume of a cylinder?
So volume of a cylinder is pi r square h.
And what is the volume of a cone?
Cone is 1/3 pi r square h.
Okay, very good. What is area of a circle?
So area of circle is pi r square.
Circumference of a circle?
2 pi r.
Area of a square?
So area of side square.
Side square. Volume of a cube?
So volume of cube is side cube.
Okay, what is the surface area or area of a cube?
So area of cube is 6a.
6a square.
6a square, and the surface area is 4a square. No, sir?
Surface area is 6a square. वही है surface
Yes,
area
sir.
of a cube, 6a square. Okay?
Cube का अच्छा वो lateral surface.
हाँ, lateral surface. Okay, आगे बढ़ते हैं. What is the volume of a sphere? Formula for volume of sphere.
So volume of sphere is 4/3 pi r cube.
Okay, great. चलो now let's come to a few GK questions, guys. ऐसे random पूछूंगा. Let me see whether he can answer well or not. Tell me 3 ports, Indian ports on the western coast.
On the western coast, so Chennai port, Tuticorin port, Ennore port, Visakhapatnam port.
Western coast.
Western coast. Sorry, sir, eastern coast. Yes, Kochi port, Kandla port, Mumbai port, Navsema port, Mangalore port. That's all, sir.
ठीक है, fine. Okay, where will the sun set first, in Mumbai or in Chennai?
So sun will set first in Chennai because it in the eastern part. As we know, the Earth globe moves from the east to west. So that's why the sun rays will pass away from the Chennai first.
अच्छा, Earth rotates from
west to east.
हाँ, west. ठीक है. Guys, those who are not getting the logic, please go through the geography notes. नहीं तो बनाओ, videos देखो, but इस logic को समझो, very very important. Okay, which is the biggest port?
So biggest port
Seaport.
is Shanghai port.
Shanghai port. Okay. Which is the busiest port?
So busiest port is also a Shanghai port.
Okay. Earlier it was Singapore port, abhi Shanghai port
Yes,
ho
sir.
gaya. China is growing like anything. Okay. What is the difference between a bay and a strait?
So bay is a water body which covered by the land mass by the three sides, and strait is a narrow, or we can say a waterway or a navigational way, which separates two land masses and joins two water bodies.
Okay, great. Example of a bay and example of a strait.
So example of a bay is Bay of Bengal or Bay of Biscay, and example of the strait is Malacca Strait, Bosphorus Strait, Strait of Gibraltar, and we can also say the
Chalo.
I am
Where is Strait of
very
Gibraltar located?
Strait of Gibraltar is between Spain and Morocco, and it separates Europe and Africa.
Okay. What is the capital of Spain?
So Spain is Madrid.
And capital of Morocco?
Capital of Morocco is Rabat.
Okay. What is the currency of Spain?
So currency of Spain is Euro.
Okay, chalo, ठीक है, good. 5 important points about Panama Canal.
So Panama Canal connects Atlantic Ocean and Pacific Ocean, and it's located in Panama City, and which is a part of North America continent, and its length is 83 kilometers, and its width is 150 meters, and its significance is that to avoid the circumnavigation through the South America.
Okay, great. How are day and nights formed?
So day and night are forms due to the rotation of the earth, and it rotates, so the part which is lighted or experiencing the sunlight is experiencing day, and the part which is not experiencing the sunlight is called a night.
Okay. What is Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn?
So Tropic of Cancer is a latitude at the 23 degree point 5 north, and the Tropic of Capricorn is latitude at the 23.5 degree south.
Okay. Can you name other latitudes?
So other latitudes are equator and Arctic Circle, Atlantic Circle.
Okay. Which is the longest latitude?
So longest latitude will be equator.
Okay, great. Have you heard about equator crossing?
Yes, sir.
Are you afraid?
Yes, no, sir.
Huh?
I'm thinking I will be enjoyed it a lot.
See guys, please don't take equator crossing as a harassment. When people laugh at you, they get connected to you, and I'm saying it bang out here. मैं नहीं चाहता कि मेरी अकेडमी का कोई बच्चा अगर तुम्हारे जहाज पे इक्वेटर क्रॉसिंग हो और तुम उसमें सोचो कि मेरे को हैरेस कर दिया, मेरा ये कर दिया, वो कर दिया. पीपल एंजॉय इट, येस दे एंजॉय इट एट योर, तुम्हारे पे हंसते हैं, लेकिन टेक इट, डोंट टेक इट पर्सनली. तुम्हारे पास उनके साथ भी हुआ है, तुम भी कल किसी के साथ कर सकते हो, बट डोंट टेक इट इन अ जॉयस मोड. एंजॉय विद देम, लाफ विद देम. लाफिंग एट योर सेल्फ इज द बिगेस्ट एसेट दैट यू कैन हैव. लाफिंग एट योर सेल्फ. अरे देख यार क्या कर दिया यार, जय माता दी. जब तुम अपना खुद का मजाक उड़ाओगे, कोई तुम्हारा मजाक नहीं उड़ा सकता. गाइस सॉरी, आई गॉट जस्ट शेल्ड आउट टॉकिंग अबाउट इक्वेटर क्रॉसिंग, बट ओके, चलो आगे बढ़ते हैं. टेल मी द नेम्स ऑफ द कंट्रीज विच आर द नेबर्स ऑफ इंडिया एंड देयर कैपिटल्स एज वेल.
So Pakistan, its capital is Islamabad, and Afghanistan, its capital is Kabul. China, its capital is Beijing, and Myanmar, Naypyidaw, and Nepal, Kathmandu, and Bhutan capital is Thimphu, and Bangladesh, its capital is Dhaka.
Great. What is the capital of USA?
USA, Washington DC.
Capital of England?
Capital of England, London.
Okay. Which is the deepest point in the ocean?
So deepest point in the ocean, in Pacific Ocean, it is Challenger Deep.
Challenger Deep. Okay. Who is the Chief Justice of India?
So Chief Justice of India.
He does not know. Please go find it out and mention in the comment section. जय माता दी. आगे बढ़ते हैं. Capital of Canada?
Capital of Canada is Ottawa.
Capital of Australia?
It's Canberra.
Okay, great. Okay, in which continent is Libya located?
Sir, in Africa, the Libya is located.
In which continent is Bolivia located?
Sir, in South America, Bolivia is located.
In which continent is Mexico located?
Sir, in North America.
Okay. In which continent is India located?
Sir, in Asia.
Okay, great. चलो ठीक है. Geography is good. आगे बढ़ते हैं फिजिक्स में. अब यहाँ पर थोड़ा मजा आने वाला है. Let's see. So tell me why. Okay, I'll just change a question. Tell me something about Newton's second law.
Sir, Newton's second law states that the rate of change of momentum is directly proportional to the force applied on the body, and its example is we are pushing any cycle or a truck, there will be a difference, and its formula or mathematical expression will be F equals to m into a.
M into a. Okay, what is the formula of momentum?
So momentum is formula is product of mass and velocity.
What is velocity?
So velocity is a change in position per unit time with a specific direction.
What is the unit of velocity?
So meter per second or kilometer per hour.
Okay, difference between velocity and speed?
So speed is a scalar quantity while velocity is a vector quantity.
Okay, or what is the difference between scalar and the vector quantity?
So scalar quantity has no direction, specified direction, but the vector quantity has.
But magnitude, both of them have? Or?
Yes, both of them has magnitude with the direction.
So guys, I might ask him just 5 questions, but I'll be putting a lot of cross questions in between so that you get an idea. Ki interviewer can ask you anything and everything from anywhere. So you have to be smart. You have to work hard. Okay. Chalo, batao, why is sky blue?
So sky is blue due to the Rayleigh's law, which states that the wavelength is inversely proportional to the scattering to the power 4.
Okay.
And so when the sunlight enters in the atmosphere of the earth, then it gets scatters, and the wavelength, the colors of the short wavelength, violet, indigo and blue, they get mixed up and give a sky blue color. That's why our sky is blue.
What do you mean by wavelength? You're talking about wavelength. What is wavelength?
So wavelength is a distance between two curves or troughs.
Two troughs. Okay. And what is the unit of wavelength?
So unit of wavelength is meter or millimeter.
Meters.
Yes.
Okay, chalega, meters chalega. Okay, what is that formula which connects wavelength, frequency and velocity?
Lambda equals to h nu.
Find out the answer and please let me know. Jai Mata Di in the comment section.
Lambda equals to vc.
अच्छा चलो ठीक है, मुझे नहीं पता,
Yes, sir.
मैं तो पूछ रहा हूँ बच्चों से, तुमने दिया है, सही दिया नहीं दिया, द क्वेश्चन स्टेज देयर. ओके, लिख देम आंसर. ओके, व्हाट इज द यूनिट ऑफ प्रेशर?
So unit of pressure, bar.
बाहर चलेगा. यूनिट ऑफ स्पीड?
Unit of speed is meter per second.
यूनिट ऑफ वेलोसिटी?
Unit of velocity is meter per second.
यूनिट ऑफ एक्सेलरेशन?
Meter per second square.
ओके, व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन इंटरफेरेंस एंड डिफ्रैक्शन?
So interference is a superimposition of the two waves, and the diffraction is a bending of the light when the wave strikes with any object. Like the example, we can see that the light is coming from the corners of the door, and for the interference there will be a when we put two sounds and we listen a higher amplitude of sound by playing both of them. So there is a simple imposition of the sound waves.
ओके, चलो, व्हाट इज रेजोनेंस? जब तुमने सुपर इम्पोजिशन की बात करी, द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन दैट कम्स टू माय माइंड इज रेजोनेंस.
So resonance is a phenomena which occurs when the natural frequency and the frequency of the object becomes equal.
Okay, example of resonance?
Example, the marching of the soldiers on the bridge can be damage the bridge, or even the bridge can be broken.
ओके फाइन, चलो ठीक बोला है. जिनको लॉजिक नहीं लग रहा है, समझ में नहीं आ रहा है, प्लीज गो and watch some videos on YouTube, go through your notebooks, go through your books, make notes, go to your teachers, go to your friends, get the answers over there. Chalo, tell me one function of the infrared rays.
So infrared rays are used in the TV remotes and also in the greenhouse to increase the temperature, maintain the temperature.
चलो, I do not know भाई ये सही है कि गलत. So please find out and let me know in the comment section. And if you can find out about gamma rays, X rays, UV rays, microwaves, great, good job. Okay, आगे बढ़ते हैं. Which type of mirror is used in vehicles and why?
So we use a convex mirror because it gives a rarer view to us, and
It gives a
rarer view. Means wider view, and it's always from a virtual image, not a real image. If it is forming a real image, then we are not able to see any picture on the mirror, while it is giving a virtual view, a virtual image, due to which we can see an object in our mirror. That's why we use a convex mirror.
Okay, what is Lenz's law?
So Lenz's law states that the polarity of a induced substance will be in such a way that its EMF or its current will oppose the cause which produces it.
Not a very satisfactory answer. I will just say that please find out your answer. मैं इस क्वेश्चन से आंसर से हैप्पी नहीं हूँ. And do mention the comment section. Let's see. Okay, if we have to form a domestic circuit of a fan, bulb and a heater, I can't ask you to draw right now over here. It will be a parallel or a series one.
Sir, it will be a parallel.
Okay, it will parallel one. तो मुझे एक क्वेश्चन जानना है कि what is the voltage that is supplied in India out here and what is the frequency of the electricity being supplied?
Sir, it is 220 voltage and 50 hertz is the frequency.
50 hertz. Okay, can you tell me something about Kirchhoff law?
Sir, Kirchhoff law has two laws. First law states that the algebraic sum of the current along the junction will be zero, and the algebraic sum of the voltage along the loop will be zero. That's the second law.
Okay, great. What is specific gravity?
So specific gravity is a ratio between the two densities. First is the object density and second one is reference material, where the reference material is water.
So what is the specific gravity of iron?
So specific gravity of iron is 7,800.
गलत हो गए. Find out the right answer and let me know in the comment section. आगे बढ़ते हैं.
7,000.
मैं आंसर नहीं बता सकता. I'm so sorry. Okay. What is Mach? M-A-C-H.
So Mach is a speed, is a unit to find a speed of any jet, and it is basically a ratio of air with the speed of the any object.
थोड़ा सा गलत है. Slight modification required. Please do let me know what is the value of 2 Mach and also do let me know what is the speed of Sukhoi 30 in Machs, okay, in the comment section. With this guys, all I can say is there were a lot of good answers, some unexpected answers, some answers that can be improved, and after watching this video, if you are really interested in joining Merchant Navy or agar help chahiye, you are most welcome to join our Telegram group called IMU CET Decoded, where so many other 1700, 800 students are already helping each other out. If you need some professional help, JMDA Academy is always there to help you in Dehradun. You are most welcome to come take guidance, but only one condition, that is if you are ready to work hard, we are here to help you out. If you think आपको सब कुछ platter पे lead मिल जाएगा, it will never happen guys. This boy sitting out here, he put in a lot of enormous efforts to get selected. No teacher, no academy can help you if you really do not want to get help yourself. With this all I want to say is thank you very much. जय हिंद, जय भारत, जय माता दी. अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा प्लीज लाइक इट, शेयर इट and subscribe the YouTube channel, and please watch the other videos in the playlist out here because it will give you a lot of help, lot of information, lot of guidance. Jai Mata Di.